This is just like lighting up the
candles.
All right.
Ready?
Wow.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elijah. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you, Elijah?
One more. You got him? Oh, yeah! Kill.
How old are you? He's 4. And how many candles are there?
You're not 4 years old.
Oh, how about that?
Twice, maybe
Wait,
3 times.
he's 8. Kayla, how old are you?
2.
Kayla, how old are you?
Right.
2.
Kayla, how old are you?
2.
1. Hold up 2 fingers like
Tora, how old are you?
2.
You're 3. Wait, let me see. How old are you?
3.
You're 3 years old?
That's
Wow. And I have to say that you're one of the best dressed kids I've ever
Take
seen.
it out. Well.
I'm glad.
Oh, they're looking at wax. Oh,
Thank you. Thank you.
thank you. Thank
Put
you.
on table.
You don't put it back.
Put on table. Put on table.
Hey, Dad, do the Elvis impersonation.
Happy birthday.